Oh no, they need a passport photo today?
Have you ever needed a passport size photo urgently? Maybe you are filling out a job application, applying for a passport, registering for an exam, or submitting documents online. And then suddenly you realize
Wait, these are all old photos.
you don't have a recent passport size photo. Now what?
What am I supposed to do now?
You either have to visit a photo studio, spend money, wait for editing, or try using complicated apps that never seem to get the size right. But what if I told you you can create a professional passport size photo in just a few minutes using Google Gemini?
Wait, Google Gemini can do this?
No Photoshop, no photo studio, no editing skill is needed. Just your photo and a simple AI prompt, which I am going to give you in this video. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. And trust me, the result looks surprisingly professional. So let's get started. First, open Google Gemini on your phone, laptop, desktop, anywhere. You can use the Gemini app on your phone or visit the website on your computer or laptop. Now, before we begin, we need a clear photo of yourself. This is very important. The better your original photo is, the better your passport size image will look. Once you have your photo ready, upload it to Gemini. Simply click the plus icon and select your image. After uploading the photo, we need to tell Gemini exactly what we want. This is where most people make mistakes. They simply write, "Make this a passport photo," and then they get inconsistent results. Instead, we need to give Gemini a detailed instruction. Here is the prompt I use. I will give this prompt in the video description so that you can just copy it and paste it to your Google Gemini and get the amazing result. Now send the prompt. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate a new version of your image. And honestly, this is the moment that surprises most people. The background becomes clean, the image looks more professional, and it feels like it was taken in a studio. You can then print it at a photo lab or upload it directly wherever it's required. Pretty simple, right? That's the power of AI. And the best part, most people still don't know this trick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tips, Gemini tutorials, and productivity hacks that saves your time and money. In the comment, let me know what other Gemini tricks you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.